cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Lapaw.
Yahoo! Diba? Oh! Happy birthday! 49! Hey, 4 years old.
And alive.
Okay, what is your wish, sister? Of course,
Cancer free.
cancer-free, right?
Cancer-free.
Let's claim it.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to live in the ripe old age.
Dahil ka kayo, biyanay mo. Wala yung biyanay, wala!
Ikaw ba?
Tingnan kay Bibi ka daya!
Sino?
Chirin!
Tara. Saman.
Ano, Bibi? Katalakaw niya siya. Ay, siya naguna-una.
Hindi siya manoy.
Hindi ko yung idea. Wala ko yung idea.
Ano na sa'yo? Nag-ilibay na sa'yo. Ay, naku na lang. Ito na unahan niya, Gidya. Ka-instragit sa'yo.
Nag-enjoy life.
Okay, sa mo.
Kag, ano.
Yung tita mo.
Nag-ibi ka da?
Ano po?
Wala, baby. Medyo ba ako?
Wala ang
Ay,
habo.
kaisog siya. Mo ka mo.
Hindi sa galing. Ano tayo magpalapit?
Yeah, okay na na. Yeah, try this. Ano na wish ko ang ano, happy lang, happy lang.
Happy lang.
Ako birthday, ikaw hibi ya?
Ah, ikaw naman, Bi. Anong wish niya? Dali lang, tutuha.
Ano wish mo?
Anong wish mo?
Dali, ano?
Anong wish mo?
Gawin mo ipagano. Ipabalon.
Tutuha?
Na maayos siya.
Tapos?
Gagaling siya sa kapatid niya. Yun ang number one.
Ano?
Saka ano.
Tuduha bala, tadlo nga bala. Hindi bala na yung magpahid-pahid luha.
Ang wish ko na gagaling siya sa kapatid mo. Gulang laban lang. God is good. Nandito lang kami.
Hindi ko yung magbiya.
Love you.
Baby, masaya man. Kitchen ko.
Of emptiness, it makes me feel sad. Then again, then again, then again, I'm glad.
Gamay pa na pero
Nga nakambal ka cute kay Ina.
may sayang sa edad ko.
Ay, nanawag si Ina sa imo.
Ang ito kami,
Sinupod mo.
di ba isa?
Di ba Nisa? Si Ina,
Nonoy.
Ara, si Nonoy, si Napagit. Tigulang na si Ina. Cute mag-isa. Grace, I'm gonna sing your favorite song, The Journey by Leia Salonga, okay? You squish my hands if you like it, okay? I love you, sister. This song is for you. This is your favorite song. The Journey. this song? You love this song? Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake, half can hear their hearts beat, half just hear them break. I am but a traveler in most every way. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been. In the end, it's not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I could see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bless. Where I'll be tomorrow, I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been. In the end, it's not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward. Onward, always up. Continue to go. Oh, my empty cup. What a journey it has been. In the end, it's not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. But they're shining on my way. I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. This is your mom's favorite song, Sar. She always sings this song. What a journey it has been. Phoebe, I sing your
There's a reason, and everyone has their own personalities. Grace was famous to Papi. We do crazy stuff. We do singing karaoke, Filipino last video, the last recipe that we sing together that she cried in the house, that like the journey, the song, like I guess a long back. She loved that song. And this her last birthday, I sing that with her.
We're here to honor and celebrate the life of Major Empress. So our hearts are heavy with love. We find comfort in the love she shared and the memories she left behind. She had a spirit as beautiful as the sunset she had wings. She's so big. She saw the beauty of the world around her. Always pausing to appreciate the color of the sky and the magic of each day. And to her, sunset weren't just a view. They were a moment of reflection, a reminder that no matter how life, or no matter how busy life gets, we should always take time to appreciate the beauty around us. She had a smile that could brighten even the cloudest days. It's warm, radiant, and full of life. No matter where she goes, she brings joy, laughter, and love. She was also an adventurer at heart that loved traveling and exploring new places. Whether she was walking through a busy street, standing at the edge of the ocean, or hiking up a mountain just to catch a perfect view. She lived with an adventurous heart. Though she's no longer physically with us, I know she's watching over, smiling just as she always did. Tita, I'm forever grateful that you're one of the people who believe and will encourage me to get married sooner. So thanks, Tita. Yes, I'm stuck. Jokes aside, this is one of the best things that happened to me. Now I have a wonderful and lovely partner in life. So Tita, may your journey continue beyond stars, and may your smile shine down on us forever till we meet again. We love you so much.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I know.
May Stone so
Yun na lang
basic.
nasa sang pansyon.
Yeah. Dahil pila ni Biden ni siya niyo. Okay,
Galing.
wala kami kwarta. Dahil no money.
50% gift.
Wow.